Welcome to a new IT Under 3. Today we're going to be talking about Google Classroom. So the best way to get to Google Classroom is just to search up Google Classroom on Google. Once at Google Classroom, you'll see there are any classes you have. If you go up to the top right and hit the plus, you could join a class, and it should prompt you this window, and you could get a code from a teacher and type in that code, and you should be able to join their class. So once you join a class, you can, it'll show up on the main menu after you join that class. You could also go to the calendar and see any assignments that you have to do there. You could also go to the to-dos and any assignments that you have to do assigned to you in a class. It'll pop up in that. It's very simple and it's a nice tool to have. All right, you can cut that a little bit out. But if you click on one of the classes, it'll show you the main homepage of that class, and you'll see any assignments or any announcements that they've made. You could also click on Classwork, and as you can see here, there's topic filters now. As you can see on the Classwork tab, you could go to any classwork to assign and click on those, and it'll take you to exactly what you need to do. And as you can see, if you click on a assignment, it'll prompt up whatever the assignment has. So on this one, it has a Google Doc, and you could click on the Google Doc, and it'll take you right there. You could also hit View Assignment and see exactly what's on that assignment. You could also add your own. So if you ever needed to make a copy of that doc, then you could make a copy of it and then go to the Add or Create, and you could add that specific doc once you've finished it. You could also mark it as done if it was assigned but you didn't have to do it in your class. And it'll get it out of the way and won't show up. You could also click on People, and it'll show the teachers in the class and also all the classmates that are also in that class. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. This has been IT Under 3. Hopefully you learned something new about Google Classroom.